What is up, my pretty subscribers? So today I'm going to be working on my van. I'm going to finally put the front interior in. I got it with no interior, like completely gutted. I turned into a camper van. So there's a guy who rolled over his Delica, but it's low roof. And I grabbed all the stuff from his interior, and I'm going to go ahead and put the carpet in and see what I can do about the top of the roof. Maybe I can make the low roof interior work with my high-end roof. So I'm going to go ahead and take the seat out and put it in. So I got my homeboy here working on or helping me detailing the carpet before we put on the van. So while we wait for the carpet to dry up, which I think is almost dry up on this front side, we're working on insulating this side of the van with whatever this is I got from the pull out van. We just cramming everything that we could in there real quick, and then next time we have more time, we're gonna work on this side, put the AC vent back in here, which is gonna be a pain in the ass to put back in, and then put more of this foam in here. So I got the panels back on, the cabinet back on after I did the installation. I sweep out the floor because it's disgusting here, so look a lot more cleaner now. I'll start to rip everything back out again anyways, and do that side next time when the weather get warmer. But so far, yeah, I like it. It's looking cleaner now. It was just a mess back here. Alright, I got the e-brake and the gas release disconnected. Now I gotta go ahead and put the carpet in real quick. Alright, so here's the carpet in. I didn't know where this one goes, so I thought it was for the back side, but it wasn't. It was for the front side, so I did clean it until it was too late. I was gonna go ahead and just pull on, mount up. This is it. I already do a sanding down here. Maybe those foam insulation on the seat. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that in, and then put the seat back on. Mount this back up, put the e-brake back on, and sand it. I can't put the foot carpet because I need to cut a hole so that I can mount my laptop mount back onto it. So I need to cut a hole on the carpet, and then I can put it in. All right, so that's done. I think what goes in the middle here is on this installation on the seat. I'm gonna go and grab that real quick if I can. Oh well. So I'm gonna find anything that goes in the middle of the seat. So I was gonna go ahead and just fold it and put in as installation. Put the seat back on, and then that's it, I guess. I was just work on that, the foot carpet next time. I just need to clean out all this crap over here, cut the hole, and then I'm done. So I need to remove this right here. That is where my laptop is mounted. Alright, laptop now is out. So now I'm just gonna clean all this crap out of here and then pop it. So I got the carpet in. Still need to take the front seat out and pull it up on here. But I found another issue. That's for the dead pedal because it's automatic carpet. So I gotta hold it. Well, I was gonna put a map if now it's just cover that area up. But overall, I think I'm done. Okay, so right now I was just looking at a hole real quick so I can put my laptop back in. Right, now I just need to go down there and put the nut back on, and then that should be sturdy. Alright, so the front interior carpet is done. There's some pieces that I can't make it work because one, this was from a crash side, which is from here, so we have to cut it off because the reservoir would come out. So I just cut off here, but I just got covered with this. And then of course on that side there was that dead pedal that was over there. So I was going to put a mat and call it good. I got my AC to work again. It was just unplugged over here, so I plug it back in. It's working. The only other issue I now have is the boost controller isn't going past 9 psi, so I gotta figure that out later. Overall, I'm happy. So go ahead and like, subscribe if you guys like the video. So until then, see you guys next time.